Study Thai with me just because I can read Thai doesn't mean I can understand what you're saying to me. And that seems to be my big issue lately. So today we're going to see if I can spell a word just by hearing it. Because my hearing skills translating into Thai is not that great. We've been on this test for a little while. We have not passed it. I think the best we've done was like 12 in a row streak. I want to get 50 to go to the next lesson. That would mean I have some skills. So study with me, see if we can pass this thing. Um, Full confidence. We got to manifest this full Put Pasat Thai gang mark. Let's do this thing.
จีน
Gene. Okay, show me the gene. Gene. Not new. There we go.
บาน
Ban. Bobamai or Bobla?
บาน
I don't hear no Bobla, so that's gotta be Bobamai. Ooh.
จาม
Jam. Long jam. There we go.
โกน
Gone. I was editing some old videos and I was like, oh wow, I really could not find anything on the keyboard. It took me forever. So even though I still feel like I'm going slow typing, I'm much faster than I'm used to be. So I feel like that part of studying is going well. I can find the letters semi fast.
จาม
Jam. Show me jam. Mama. Horsies.
โกน
Going again. Give me my struggle ones. The as. I always struggle with my as.
แจว
There we go. Okay, so this is a double B, I'm pretty sure. I was telling my wife about my ass struggle, and she was saying it was my New Jersey accent, because like the way I say bed or red or fed in English is wrong. I'm saying it this. I'm not saying it correctly because my accent. So I don't know how to say correctly. I just make everything into the double B letter versus the one B letter. So even though that sound exists in English, apparently my New Jersey accent is screwing me over. So if y'all hear it when I'm talking, that's what that is. Being from New Jersey has cursed me. So sad. But yeah, what was this one again? Jail?
แจว
Jail. That's why I struggle uniquely with this thing. Because I've never heard anyone else say they struggle with It's just me and my Jersey accent.
จาม
Jam. There we go.
ดาว
Dow. The stars. You're a shining star. Oh, no, that's not fair. I just did a typo. I clicked it too fast. The Sosao and the Wowen are right next to each other. I'm gonna pretend that I didn't get that wrong. Streak of 8.
ตาม
Tam?
ตาม
Yeah, tam. Tao.
บาง
Bang.
บาง
I think that's just ball by my. Let's see. Bang. Okay.
เอ็น
And
เอ็น
N. I think that's 1B. Don't want another typo wrong. Okay, cool.
ปูน
I'm getting better. My ass.
ปูน
So technically we're at 12 now because 8 plus 3 is 12 because I'm not counting that typo as being wrong. So this is our previous best, so we're actually doing decently today. Is this Bobla or Bobamai though?
ปูน
I feel like I hear the Bobla. There's a P-ish sound in there. So, you gotta eat your P's. Let's go with boom. There we go.
จาม
Jam. We know our jam.
โกน
Gone. There's the O. What is gone? What does that mean? Gone.
แกน
Okay, is this eh or ah?
แกน
And
แกน
and okay, that sounds like two B's. And let's see if my New Jersey accent will hurt me today. Oh, cool.
แกง
Gang mak. Apparently, that's not gang mak. That's gang curry, like gang kiawan. Um, but yeah, so fifth. I just wanted to see what my streak is right now. 7 + 8 is 15. I can do math. I might struggle speaking Thai, but I can do math. So yeah, we're doing pretty decently today. I want to get at least 20 today. That would feel nice. 5 more.
แกง
Ang, eh, right?
แกง
Yeah, that definitely feels like a double B. Give me my curry. My Genkielwan's my favorite food. I should know how to spell it. How do you spell curry?
โกง
Two B's. Two B's. I love putasatay. Gets me that dopamine rush when I get something right.
โกง
Gong, right?
โกง
Gong. I don't know why for a second I thought it said gung. I'm thinking of food too much. There's no shrimp in this gong. Still don't know what gong means. Told me I'm gong is what I'm thinking about. No, where's my no, why is my computer freezing on me? My hands. Do I have to restart? Let's see. Okay, I think we were at 15. Let's just restart this. Due to technical difficulties, I am trying to restart this. Oh, we're back. Okay, we're at 15. My phone is betraying me today, and my fingers. But let's see if we could keep going.
ตีน
Thin. It's a great word. Thin. And then nonu. Where is it? Boom. Speaking of curse words, like, I recently learned that curse words that I thought were a little more aggressive aren't as aggressive. Because, like, I thought, like, hiya or, like, isad. Not hiya, maybe isad. I thought isad was, like, a very aggressive curse word. But apparently that one's, like, a more chill one. Apparently koi is, like, an aggressive one. And, like, from an English perspective, yelling koi at someone, I don't know, kind of sounds silly. Like, it still would be, like, a curse word, but it wouldn't be, like, an aggressively aggressive curse word. But I learned recently that koi is like koi, like if you're like really want to like start a fight, that's what you would call someone. But yeah, that's my curse word sidetrack. Don't yell koi at someone, but if someone yells koi at you, be ready to throw some Muay Thai hands. That's all I'm saying.
จาน
John. Give me some John. Is this John like dishes? I'd be breaking dishes.
จาน
Still John.
โดน
Okay, if we get this right, we should hit 20. Adding all my maths together. And then no new. Hey, 20.
แจว
Jow. Okay, the L's are an eh. I learned that lesson already. Jojon. Don't mess up where the Wowen is. Not again.
แดน
Okay, air ah.
แดน
That definitely sounds like eh. So let's go dodek. No no. I feel confident. Cool.
อาน
On. Here one more time.
อาน
Yeah, on. Let's go with on. Where's no new? Well, I'm always struggling to find no new. Maybe because it's in the middle of the keyboard. But that could probably be the reason.
ตาม
Is it thumb?
ตาม
Yeah, thumb. To tao. Ah. And then M. Mama. Hey, I'm not calling it Mamu anymore. Small progress. I don't know what my brain wants it to be Mamu, but it's Mama. It's a horse. It's not a pig.
ดาว
Tao is a star. Let's see. Dodek. Ah. Wowen.
ปูน
Okay, I think with that we're at 25. Not bad, guys. 25 more and we could hit that streak. We could go to the next lesson. Ooh.
ปูน
I definitely hear a blah blah in there, so I'm gonna go full confidence blah blah. Go ooh, and then no no.
จาง
Is that Jong?
จาง
Yeah. John or Jong?
จาง
Yeah. I hear the longo in there. If I don't put the emphasis on longo, then it just sounds like nonu. Like I wish nonu and longo didn't rhyme. Like I know like snake makes sense because that's what longo is called, but maybe nonu could have been something else. Like it's so easy to say it wrong from my English perspective. Sadly.
จาง
Jong. Okay. Longo.
บานบาน
I think that's just ball by my. Was it Ban or Bang?
บาน
Just Ban. Okay.
ตีน
We know our themes. Thou. Like curse words. Man, I could hear it perfectly. I know that's clearly theme.
จูง
Jung. Okay. Longo.
แกน
Okay. Air.
แกน แกน แกน
Sorry, one more time.
แกน
I think it's two B's, but I'm not confident. A little voice in my head is saying one B. But like it's never one B. It's gotta be two B's. And don't trust the New Jersey boy. Do two B's. Okay.
ปูน
When it comes to just assume this Jersey boy is wrong and do the opposite. That's how I get around my dyslexia. I just think what the number is and then it's the opposite number. Anyone with dyslexia that's Thai, I do wonder because like there's so many circles on all the letters, like Moma and Nonu and Hohib. They kind of got like the same shape, but the circles in different spots. It confuses my dyslexic brain so much. I was wondering if anyone else who's dyslexic that's Thai has issues with those letters specifically. Let me know.
ปูน
Okay, that's Bobla. Where are you, Bobla? Mr. Bobla. Or Mrs. Bobla.
กาว
Gao. Okay, we're at 32. Not bad, not bad. Okay, Gao.
บาง บาง
Okay, Bobla or Bobamai?
บาง
That would be Bang. Or if it's Bobla, it would be
บาง
Bang. Bang.
บาง
I think it's just Bobla. Bobamai, sorry, not Bobla. Bang. Okay, cool.
แกน
I think that's two B's.
แดน
What is this?
แดน
That's definitely two B's. I hear it.
บาง บาง
I think we said it was 1B. I don't know why. I don't remember. Cool.
อ่าน
On.
แกน
So if we had 15 before, how much do we need to get to 50? 50 minus 15. Let's do this in Thai. Ha Sib minus, what's minus? Lob? Ha Sib Lob Sib Ha. Oh, that feels like a tongue twister. That is equal to, or Tamgab, I think is equal to, Tamgab Sam Sib Ha. 35. So we need 35. We're at 23. So we need 12 more. 15 plus 23 is 38. We're at 38 now? Yeah, not bad, not bad. Just 12 more.
แกน
Okay. I think that's a double B again.
ปูน
I guess my wife's advice about my New Jersey accent fucking me up really fixed me because this is my first lesson after that realization she had, and now I don't get anything wrong.
ปูน
Okay, that's a BP. Bobla. Mr. Bobla loves Mrs. Bobla. And they make blah blah children.
อ่าน
Anyone know the band Calories Blah Blah? I think they got some good songs too.
อ่าน
On boom.
จาม
Jam. Jojan. Mama.
จูง
Jung. I heard a ngongo in there, so I think it's a ngongo. Yeah.
โกน
7 more guys. We got this. Give me my O. Kokai. No no. Cool.
โดน
Dodek. My my no no. Boom. Wait, is it not Don?
โดน
Oh, another stupid typo. Honestly, like, I'm not counting any of my typos. I'm doing too well today to care about that kind of stuff. Let's get 6 more, because I'm not counting that as wrong. Let's get our 50.
เอ็น
Eh,
เอ็น
N would be N, or N,
เอ็น
and maybe it's 2 B's. Then no no. Oh, I forgot my on. Then no no. Was it 1 B? And then no no.
ปูน
I guess we got to like 45 if you add the ones from before. Okay, that's not terrible. I think I won't count it because we did lose on our problem child. So we didn't get to 50. We had my phone froze a couple times. So let's tomorrow. I think we could actually pass it, and then we'll finally move on to the next lesson. But I feel better. I feel like we're doing really good. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.